Okay, I'm in Five Below. I haven't been here in a while, but not the Stanley Cup dupes, guys. This is getting so crazy. They have dupes everywhere. This is only $5.55 though. You literally save yourself 40 bucks. These are super cute, actually. They have blue, purple, and white. I think they had more, but they're gone. Well, who wants a Stanley Cup dupe? I don't know. Is it giving? It matches me today. I literally caught this randomly. Since when did Five Below make sugar scrubs? Hello? Oh, never mind. I'm wrong. These are body butters, but they're so cute. They're in the same containers that sugar scrubs usually come in. Okay, let's check them all out. Fire. Feed Your Soul body butter. I have the scent test. Okay, wait. This is Fire. Feed Your Soul. Air. Free Your Spirit. Okay, let me smell it. Oh, they're sealed. But why are they not filled all the way? They're not filled all the way in the container, though. A little bummer, but I mean, it's $5. That doesn't smell like anything. What the heck? Also, earth and water. Maybe these aren't scented? I don't know. They just have different things. Oh, shea butter and cocoa butter in all of them, actually. Look how cute this is. If you want to smell good for a longer amount of time, you get the body butters and then you put the spray on top. They have a spray for all of them. Water, fire, earth, and air. Interesting. And what are these candles? These look cool. Quartz. Can't smell that either, but at least this is cute and aesthetic. Not the Bath and Body Works Sweet Pea dupe. It kind of does smell like it, actually. So if you want it for cheaper, it's here. I've been looking for a self-care organizer. I know this is mainly a makeup one, but I need something for all my self-care products so that I'm not just putting them in drawers or slapping them somewhere random. Where do you guys think I could find a good one? Should I just find one online or what? Well, I found this. This is super cute. I actually like the organization of it, but this is too much. Like, I don't need all of this. Yeah. There's these duo beauty blender packs. They're each $2.99. I wonder if there's one even more affordable, or maybe that's a stretch.
They have eyelashes over here.
Is it me or all the beauty blender sets looking the same?
No, look at these.
Like, this is the same product by 2 different brands. Ooh, not lemon. Oh, okay, that's a lot in one pack, though.
These are $5.99.
That's really cute. So what's the better deal? 4 for $5.99 or 2 for $2.99?
It depends. Are you looking for big ones or small ones?
These are only a little smaller, but maybe I want something bigger. This is also really cute.
It's $12.99.
That one's $12.99. How much is this?
This is good. You could bring it to college and put your stuff. It's like an organizer.
As if I'm not already taking up enough space. I need a big organizer that holds all my stuff. This is $14.99 though. Oop, not the green supplement. Actually, I saw the one that I wanted at Target. I forgot to get it, but I don't know. This is bigger. Is it good for you though? That's the thing. Okay, guys, there's a cheaper dupe. I mean, I can't just keep saying that everything is a dupe for the Drunk Elephant glow drops or whatever the heck they're called, but this says Skin Enhancer by LA Colors. They have different colors, blue, pink, and silver. Ooh, not Sid, guys. Did I make this? Help. Anyways, it's an illuminating skin enhancer, so I guess it's just supposed to brighten up your skin. Something like that. Okay, I think this might be the ultimate Drunk Elephant dupe. They literally have a blush and glow. All for $3.99. That's really affordable. See, but this is more of a highlighter, so I guess you can't really use it for your whole face. But you guys know what I mean. They have the self-care slippers. No, but remember when these were trendy? The little cute aesthetic. What do they call it? Like, what do they call it? Oh, the preppy girl slippers. These are actually really cute. Five Below will literally give you everything, every kind of dupe that they have. Help. Not me wanting to get these a little. They're so cute though. They even have them in black and white if you're not into the pink. The selection for the accessories is not good, guys. It's like everyone bought them. There's some cute claw clips left, but necklaces. I wish there were more bracelets around, but this is about it. These are pretty interesting serums I just found. Rose quartz and jade. Is it real though? I don't know. Radiant serum and soothing serum. These look nice. I like them. Okay, guys, I've been needing a makeup brush cleaning mat for the longest because I feel like it'll just do a better job. I just never get them. You know what? It's only $4.25. Let me just get it already because what am I stalling for? This purple one's really cute, but purple or pink? These are my two top favorite colors. I don't know. I don't know which one to pick. Pink or purple? Comment down below which color you would rather get. I think I'm gonna go with the purple because I don't know, that's just my vibe nowadays. Light purple is in. And then also they have cotton rounds here. This is 100 count for only $5. I mean, can't you get this at like Walmart
They
for
could
cheaper?
be $3.25.
Honestly, I think Walmart has them for cheaper. Oh, $3.25. Which one's the actual price? Hell,
I don't know which one.
well, hopefully they're $3.25. But if you guys have been watching me for a while, I've been using these reusable makeup wipes, and my mom thinks that they're making my skin break out. Maybe I should go back to the regular disposable ones and see if it makes a difference. I don't know, I'm still testing these things out, so we'll see. What is going on, guys? Not Five Below having an unbrushed dupe. I don't know if you guys were on TikTok watching that whole unbrushed craze that was going on, but literally I have an unbrush and it's so good. If you don't want to buy something on TikTok shop, you can literally get it from here. It's either $5 or less than $5. I don't know exactly how much. They only seem to have it in pink right now, but what the heck? I was literally just walking through this section and talking about how they're probably gonna get an unbrushed dupe at some point, and here it is right before my eyes. Okay, there's more skincare, self-care things over here. Look at the sculpting ice rollers. Oh my gosh, they have it in purple now. What the heck? Literally my fave. They have it in pink and light purple for only $5. There's the purple one and there's the pink one. Ooh, look at this cute little facial scrubber. It doesn't look like it has a handle, but it has something for it to stand on. Interesting. So it's a handheld dual-sided facial brush. Not these. These are always here, the facial ice globes. I just don't know if these actually work. Not the glitter. Ooh, this is new. Vibrating. Ooh, not vibrating facial massager. This is new. Literally, they come out with new things every day. What is going on? They have the regular jade facial rollers. The way the music is so loud. All right, 4-in-1 electric spa brush. Okay, all for $5. Ooh, look at these shower steamers. These are so pretty. It seems like crystals are really in right now. They have it in purple as well. Sometimes Five Below has some cute stuff. Are these baby tees? Let me find out. I don't know. I've been looking for a cute baby tee. Like something that's not fully cropped, but it fits tight. This is really giving baby tee because this is really small. They need to get dressing rooms here. They should do that. This might fit. Like, it looks small, but it might fit. Because you don't want it, I don't want it baggy. What size is this? This is a medium. So I think it's supposed to be like that. It's a baby tee.
Why
is this the only design?